Today we're looking at a 2017 certified Honda Pilot Elite. Alright, it's got 18,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. It's crystal black in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. First thing we notice, it does have the front park assist. Okay, the sonar. It does have the turn signals in the side mirrors. Got your lock unlock button here in the door handles. It is equipped with the sunroof. Alright, everything along the driver's side here is in great shape. It does have the rear park assist and rear backup camera. It's an all-wheel drive. Making our way down the passenger side here. Everything's in really good shape. Once again, it's a certified 2017 Honda Pilot Elite, clean Carfax, one owner, 18,000 miles on it. Got the black on black door panels. Got memory seats, okay, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay, it does have the power lift gate. Got your lane departure warning, collision alert. All right, and there's your park assist. Black leather seating, power driver seat, perforated inserts on the leather. Driver seat's in great shape. Does have the nice thick Honda Pilot rubber floor mats. Got your sunroof there. Alright, does have the keyless entry key fob with remote start. Okay. And then you can pull this back here, got some extra storage, got your auxiliary and power outlet down there. Passenger seat is in great shape as well. Alright, it is an automatic, it's got the push button transmission. Got heated and air conditioned seats, 2 USB ports here and another power outlet. Dual climate controls, push button start. You're going to have your touchscreen display right here with the backup camera and all that, and we'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, got a heated steering wheel, and then you got your transmission paddles back here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. This Pilot's also equipped with the blind spot monitoring system. Okay. It's got 18,195 miles on it. Alright, now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and get you back to your home screen here. Alright, there are all your apps. Go ahead and activate the navigation. Let me dim that down for you just a little bit. Let's see. There we go. Alright, go ahead and activate the backup camera. Okay. And once again, your dual climate controls, heated and air conditioned seats. Okay. Right, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Door panel back here looks good. It's got the nice sunshade that pulls up. We got kids in the car. Alright, second row captain's chairs. Okay. Let me go ahead and walk around and open up that other door so we'll get more light in there so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Let's go ahead and open this up. There we go. And we'll go ahead and open up the lift gate too. Alright, not only does it have the sunroof in the front, it also has the big moonroof in the back. Okay. Second row captain's chairs are in great shape. Got the perforated inserts as well. Got the cup holders and a little tray there in between. Alright, it does have the nice thick rubber floor mats back here on the second row. It also has second row heated seats. Alright, got you a plug-in outlet here, USB, HDMI cables, rear heat, rear air, and it also has your DVD player. Alright, go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, and then one thing about these Pilots that's really cool, they started doing in this new design, they have a button back here and a button here. You simply press that button, seat automatically kind of jumps forward for you. Alright, this one's already down. It's got the third row, nice plastic mat too. Third row seats look good. Let me go ahead and pull this one back up for you. Pull this one up. There we go. I'll give you a shot of that one. So as you can see, third row leather. It's in fantastic shape. Okay. Okay, and then simply just push that seat back. Alright. It does have the cargo net here in the back. Nice thick rubber form or protector mat back here. Got your little storage area too as well. Alright, and as you can see, with the third row up, it kind of does cut into the space a little bit. You can simply pull these tabs here. These seats will go down. I'll go ahead and take this down too so you can kind of see what we're dealing with here. Alright, so now you can see how much that really opens it up back here in the back. Alright, and then this nice rubber mat will actually fold out the length of the trunk area here. Let me show you this storage area one more time now that we got that up. Okay. It does have the power lift gate. Simply press that. Nice and smooth coming down. Let's go ahead and check out the wheels and tires. We've got, let's see, 20-inch alloys. Alright. Tires are in great shape. Still plenty of tread left on them there. Alright, once again, it's a 2017 certified Honda Pilot Elite. 18,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in phenomenal shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.